The connection between Porsche 3.0 and 3.1. See if the original car has fiber optics here. Add fiber optic box with fiber optic cable. Press this button lightly and take it out. This is a fiber optic box. Take this thing out. There is a plug. Give it a shot. Get rid of. That fiber optic cable is plugged in here. Plug it into the fiber optic box with a bang. Plug in the fiber optic box power supply and fiber optic cable with a little hat on it. The key has a little hat on it. Take it off. Plug it on the key box. Same here. Gotta plug it in here. Cable. This one has a red and white plug. To plug in that OU7 audio output. OU7 plugged in. The GPS antenna of this transfer original car is plugged in here. There's also a radio antenna plugged in here. The 4 grams antenna is plugged in here. Your protocol box should also be plugged in. This CAN cable should also be plugged in. There is also a USB cable. This big power plug. This one is plugged into 2 plugs, no need to plug it in. This is 360 and rear view. After plugging it in, it should also be plugged in here. This big plug is plugged in here. The original car has no fiber optic cable. This fiber was not available before. There's a blue and white line here. Big plug, there's a blue and white wire here. Here's a blue and white line. The MV power amplifier control cable is connected to the audio card slot cable. Plug it in again.